Hello friends, welcome to Natural Health and Beauty Tips channel. In this video, we will see about 12 healthy foods that are high in iron. Iron is a mineral that serves a number of significant functions, its main one being to carry oxygen throughout your body as a part of red blood cells. On an average, the normal daily value of iron is 18 milligram. Iron deficiency can cause anemia and lead to symptoms like fatigue. Luckily, there are plenty of good food choices to help you meet your daily iron needs. Here are 12 healthy foods that are high in iron. Number 1. Shellfish. Shellfish is tasty and nutritious. All shellfish is high in iron, but clams, oysters and mussels are particularly good sources. A 100-gram serving of clams also provides 26 grams of protein, that is 24% of the daily value for vitamin C. Shellfish is also rich in many other nutrients and may increase HDL, good cholesterol levels in your blood. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach provides many health benefits but very few calories. A 100 gram of raw spinach provides 2.7 milligram of iron, that is 15% of the daily value for iron, along with several vitamins and minerals. It also contains important antioxidants. Number 3. Liver and other organ meats. Organ meats are extremely nutritious. Popular types include liver, kidneys, brain and heart, all of which are high in iron. A 100 gram of beef liver contains 6.5 milligram of iron, or 36% of the daily value. Organ meats are also high in protein and rich in vitamin B, copper and selenium. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes are loaded with nutrients. Some of the most common types of legumes are beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas and soya beans. They are a great source of iron, especially for vegetarians. 1 cup, approximately 200 grams of cooked lentils contains 6.6 milligram, which is 37% of the daily value. Beans like black beans, navy beans and kidney beans can all help easily to increase your iron level. A 100 gram serving of cooked black beans provides around 1.8 grams of iron, that is 10% of the daily value. Legumes are also a good source of folate, magnesium and potassium. To maximize iron absorption, consume legumes with foods high in vitamin C, such as tomatoes, greens and citrus fruits. Number 5. Red meat. Red meat is nutritious. A 100 gram serving of ground beef contains 2.7 milligram of iron, which is 15% of the daily value. Meat is also rich in protein, zinc, selenium and several vitamin Bs. Researchers have suggested that iron deficiency may be less likely in people who eat meat, poultry and fish on a regular basis. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are tasty, portable snack. A 28 gram serving of pumpkin seeds contain 2.5 milligram of iron, which is 14% of the daily value. In addition, pumpkin seeds are a good source of vitamin K, zinc, magnesium and manganese. A 28 gram serving of contains 40% of the daily value for magnesium, which helps reduce your risk of insulin resistance, diabetes and depression. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a popular grain known as pseudo cereal. 1 cup, that is approximately 185 gram of cooked quinoa provides 2.8 milligram of iron, which is 16% of the daily value. Furthermore, quinoa contains no gluten, making it a good choice for people with celiac disease or other forms of gluten intolerance. Quinoa is also high in protein than many other grains, as well as rich in folate, magnesium, copper, manganese, and many other nutrients. Number 8. Turkey. Turkey meat is a healthy and delicious food. It is also a good source of iron, especially dark turkey meat. A 100-gram portion of dark turkey meat has 1.4 milligram of iron, which is 8% of the daily value. In comparison, the same amount of white turkey meat contains only 0.7 milligram. Dark turkey meat also packs an impressive 28 grams of protein per serving and several B vitamins and minerals, including 32% of the daily value for zinc and 57% of the daily value for selenium. High protein intake can also help prevent the muscle loss that occurs during weight loss and the aging process. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is incredibly nutritious. 1 cup, approximately 156 gram serving of cooked broccoli contains 1 milligram of iron, which is 6% of the daily value. It also contains 112% of the daily value for vitamin C, which helps your body absorb the iron better. It may also help to reduce cancer risk. Number 10. Tofu. Tofu is a soy-based food that is popular among the vegetarians and in some Asian countries. Approximately 126 gram serving provides 3.4 milligram of iron, which is 19% of the daily value. Tofu is also a good source of thiamine and several minerals including calcium, magnesium, and selenium. In addition, it provides 22 grams of protein per serving. Its isoflavones may improve heart health and relieve menopausal symptoms. Number 11. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is incredibly delicious and nutritious. A 28 gram serving contains 3.4 milligram of iron, which is 19% of the daily value. This small serving also packs 56% and 15% of the daily values for copper and magnesium respectively. In addition, it contains prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the friendly bacteria in your gut. Studies have also shown that chocolate has beneficial effects on cholesterol and may reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. It is best to consume chocolate with a minimum of 70% cocoa to get the maximum benefits. Number 12. Fish. Fish is a highly nutritious ingredient, and certain varieties like tuna are especially high in iron. In fact, 85 gram serving of canned tuna contains about 1.4 milligram of iron, which is approximately 8% of the daily value. Fish is also brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are a type of heart-healthy fat associated with a number of health benefits. In particular, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to promote brain health, enhance immune function, and support healthy growth and development. Fish also contains several other essential nutrients, including niacin, selenium, and vitamin B12. Besides tuna, haddock, mackerel, and sardines are a few other examples of iron-rich fish that you can also include in your diet. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly support our channel by sharing with your friends and subscribe the channel.